scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Money supply changes can be tricky, but we can solve this long-run GDP problem in just 3 quick steps. Let's dive right into it. In the long run, according to the theory of monetary neutrality, changes in the money supply do not affect real variables. This means the economy always returns to its potential output. Real GDP returns to its natural level regardless of the money supply. Therefore, the long-run effect on real GDP is no change at all. We are halfway to the answer. An increased money supply raises the price level. Since nominal GDP includes these higher prices, it must increase. Therefore, option A is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.